All right, Destiny. So you should be in your email right now because you clicked on this video from me. So what I need you to do is to go open a new tab. Sorry, I have about a million open. Just click on the plus, open a new tab, and then this is the bar I was talking about up here where you can type in a website. So what I want you to try doing is to type in learn.ardale.org. So learn.ardale.org. Hopefully that will take you to a page that looks like this. It might take you to a page where you need to log in, but hopefully will not take you to just the district homepage because that's unhelpful. So you can you'll want to go to courses up here. Click on courses. Look for Mrs. Morrison's class. I think it's the second one for you because you have different courses than I do. But click on Mrs. Morrison's class. This is where you can always find the schedule for the day, or if you click here, you can find the schedule for the whole week. And then scroll down. Classroom headquarters has a calendar, which might be helpful. So reading and math are the two folders you will focus on. So say you click on reading first. You can just go ahead and focus on the main pathway we're doing right now. So click on that, and then you will only be able to click on this first one because notice how it says must view the item. So you have to click on it and just look at it. This one is just one you have to look at. This document here just lays out the whole unit for you. You don't have to do anything on there. And then you'll go next. And then there will always be a video of some sort to watch, or almost always. And then it'll give you some directions. So this time it says watch the video above and answer this question. How do living things help one another survive? Please write in complete sentences and be as detailed as you can. So you'll scroll down and you will write a comment. You won't be able to see these until you type your answer. If you ever want to go back to the pathway, you can click right up here by this orange folder. So notice how it says you must post a comment or reply. So until you've commented, you won't be able to go to the next one. Then you'll have to do that assignment before you can go to the next one. So this one, for example, energy from the sun, I made a video for you to watch. And then you'll open the assignment with Cami. And then you'll turn it in from Cami as well. Excuse me. I forget if I showed this in the video, but you'll use this turn in button once you've done what you're supposed to do, which in this case is underlining the sentence that you think is the best main idea. But again, if you watch this video, that will help you. And then once you turn it in, it'll send you back here to Schoology and you'll be able to click turn in. Then you can go next and on and on and on with that. I can just show you math just so you know. So you'll go to math. And then this pathway is multiplication. So you'll click there. And then again, you'll just go in order. This one has some exit slips built in where you have to get a certain score in order to move on. And you can try them multiple times if you need to. Hopefully this helps. If you have any questions, feel free to send them back to me and I will get them answered as best as I can. We will figure this out. Take deep breaths. No need to stress. We'll figure it out together. Thanks, Destiny.